Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to add a favorite driver to your favorites list on Uber. Now, if you are an Uber passenger and you use Uber on a regular basis within the same route, you might probably be having the same driver ever so often. Now, how do you go through Uber with a favorite driver? Or how do you add a driver to your favorite list? It's actually quite simple. All you need to do is once you have booked a ride and after your ride is done and you've been dropped off to your destination, all you need to do is when the rating portion pops up on your screen, all you need to do is tap on the add to favorites option under the star rating of your driver's profile. It's gonna highlight with a heart, a pink heart or a light red heart, and after that, that driver will be able to be part of your favorites list. And yeah, it's gonna be easier for you to book that driver. And that's pretty much it with the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.